So what we have here is the first start of the floor sheathing. Now, you'll see here, as we saw with the plates and the vector blocks, it's routed out on a CNC router to perfectly fit corners. You can also start to see plumbing drops here and tongue and groove flooring. So if we come around here, we can see how those fit perfectly onto the corners, over the vector blocks, allow for bolting patterns, plumbing drops. All this is pre-planned. Zmodular is moving far and away into the fabrication stance of planning out all their pieces using automation, computer-controlled milling. We'll see farther down the line rolling their own cold form studs with plumbing drops, electrical conduit runs, all that. It makes it like a beautiful and very precise and planned out system. It can really help the speed of a building. Now you see here, this added column here, this knife plate is for a bolt-on balcony. And this gusset plate down here for seating of the balcony. So this column here is to support the balcony, and then the knife plate here. Up top, you can see the beginnings of the parapet walls. So this must be a roof location. And so the columns carry forward, another joist across here. So you can see the ceiling joists are thicker here, as opposed to these ceiling joists, thinner. So this will be a roof module with insulation and different assembly. You tell a lot about chassis by kind of the small details. This is for the garden style building, the Atlas. That's 69, 68, 67, all that. Little hanging drawings here called travelers. This is all the shop drawing, fabrication information, QA, QC, quality control, all that is run through here.